It is a random Saturday during exam season and Adam and the rest of his friends are studying for their upcoming exams. That morning, Adam had already dedicated a solid 3 to 4 hours to revising for his exams and had already completed his tasks for the day. Adam had then looked at his phone and saw many notifications from his WhatsApp group with his friends. They were all talking about how difficult these upcoming exams will be. Adam suggested the idea of playing football after lunch at around 2 p.m. to take a break. However, every single one of them declined, emphasizing the need to focus on studying throughout the day and evening, given the approaching exams. It dawned on Adam that while his mates were spending the entire day studying, he had finished his study session before lunch. Adam was already achieving higher grades than his friends in his mocks without dedicating as much time in the day to just studying. He attributed this to studying smart rather than being a genius. Let's share with you the strategies to accomplish more in less time. Most students tend to study all day, thinking it leads to better results. However, according to the book Deep Work by Cal Newport, the best minds can maintain 100% focus for about 4 hours a day. Yet, many students aim to study for 8 to 10 hours, indicating they're not utilizing their full focus capacity. To study less but more efficiently, improving focus is crucial. You can achieve more in 2 hours of intense focus than in 10 hours of typical studying. So, to study effectively, you need to cultivate the habit of focusing intensely. Set a specific time each day for your focus block, making it a routine. This helps prime your brain to prepare for intense focus during that period. Creating the right environment is vital. Turn off notifications to avoid distractions, eliminate items from your peripheral vision, and control sound distractions. Wearing a hat, a hood, working in front of a wall, or using noise-canceling techniques can help maintain focus. Andrew Hubman suggests using binaural beats at the beginning of your study session to enhance focus. Moreover, managing your thoughts is crucial. Initially, it might be challenging to maintain focus, but after about 15 to 20 minutes, you can enter a flow state where distractions diminish and your output is maximized. A game changer is avoiding food before studying, as digestion consumes a significant portion of your body's resources. Try studying before eating in the morning for a heightened focus experience. Now, another massive hack is the power of sleeping early to allow yourself to wake up early. The quiet hours of the morning offer a unique opportunity for undisturbed focus and productivity. By waking up early, you can seize this valuable time, setting a positive tone for the day and creating that momentum. It also can reduce your stress levels as you have more time in the rest of the day to complete your tasks. Adam sleeps by 10:30 p.m. or 11 p.m. and starts working by 7 a.m. To sum up, start with shorter, intense focus sessions, gradually increasing your ability to concentrate. Developing this skill will enable you to accomplish more in less time. Rather than studying longer hours, focus on improving the quality of your study sessions. Subscribe if you found this video helpful, and go to the video description to book a free 1-to-1 taster lesson with us. I'll catch you later.